Right now, I am sending a broadcast message to thousands of users, and this is exactly how it looks when it gets delivered to each person privately, instantly, and personalized. And this is the same broadcast strategy that makes customer reply instantly. Now, watch this closely. This message doesn't go into a group, it lands directly in each user's personal chat as if I typed it just for them. And because it feels personal, people don't ignore it. They actually open it, read it, and mostly reply. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just about sending a broadcast. The real magic is how you write that message. One small tweak, just one. And it can be the difference between getting ignored and getting instant replies. Most people make this mistake. They send long promotional copy-paste messages, but when you make your message feel like a real conversation, everything changes. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to do this using Pabbly chat flow, how to structure them for maximum replies, and how you can use the same strategy for your own business. And trust me, once you understand this, you won't send WhatsApp messages the same way again. Now, before we dive into the tutorial, let's quickly understand what broadcast actually is. Inside Pabbly chat flow, broadcast allows you to send a single message to multiple users at the same time. But instead of creating a group, it delivers that message individually to each contact. So from the user's perspective, it feels like a one-to-one conversation, not a mass message. And this is exactly why it works so well, because people ignore group messages, they ignore forwards, but they pay attention to those messages that feels personal. Now that you understand the strategy, let's connect this with how you can actually set it up inside Pabbly chat flow. So the process is very simple. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it is perfect. But if you are new, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. After doing the sign up process, you will be landed on the dashboard of Pabbly chat flow. And the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly chat flow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly chat flow account. After reaching the dashboard, you have to come towards this broadcast feature. See, the process is simple and it does not require any technical setup. After coming in this Pabbly chat flow broadcast page, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button, where at first you have to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Next, you have to give the name to your broadcast. So I am giving my broadcast name as Pharmacy Alert. Here I enter this name by my choice. You can give it completely based on your broadcast. After that, you have to select the contact list from here that I am selecting as new list. Now first you need to add all of your users contacts inside your Pabbly chat flow account. So to do this, you have to go in this contacts feature and go towards this plus add contact. You can also add contacts one by one by manually adding, but I refer you to add contacts in bulk. For uploading in bulk, you have to create a CSV file for all of your contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains all of your users data in a simplest format, just like their first name, last name, and contact number. You can design this file inside your Excel or Google Sheet. After adding all of your user contacts, you have to download the file in CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV file is allowed with a 50 MB size limit, and you can add maximum of 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting it is. For uploading in bulk contacts, you have to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and simply drag and drop this file here. After that, you have to click on this upload files. Next, select the file from here and click on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload bulk contacts inside your Pabbly chat flow account. You can also create a list by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one by the name of new list, where I added only 44 contacts. Now we will go back to the setup of our broadcast message. Here I have selected the contact list. Next, you have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send the regular message by selecting this option, select the message type from here and enter the message content in this field. But I refer you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and that follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you just have to click on the select WhatsApp template button. Here I am going to send this pharmacy welcome message template. This is a template that I have already created before. Next, I am clicking on this option and uploading this image by selecting it and clicking on this insert button. See, this is the final look of the template that was sent to my user. After that, I will click on this done button. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this template. So for that, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. It is a predefined message used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. It will provide you two options as name as add template and generate with AI. So if you want to generate a template with AI, then you will go with this option. Here, I am going to design a template by myself. So I am clicking on this add template button. Now I'll give you a quick overview of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chartflow account, where at first you have to select the template category that I'm selecting as marketing. Give your template a name, select the language from here. I'm selecting it as in English. Next, select the variable type that I'm selecting as name. See, variable is used for sending a personalized message to each user. After that, the template type I am selecting as image. It will provide you multiple types of templates. And next, you have to enter the template format in this field. Here I have entered. See, as soon as I have entered the template format in this field, it is going to be visible here too. After that, the footer is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, you can also add the interactive actions. Here I am adding two quick replies, so I am selecting this option and entering the first one is order medicine. After that, the second one is upload prescription. As it is visible that how interactive this template is. I designed this by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. See, it plays an important role as it is the first message that was sent to your user. So create it more interactive as you can. After that, you just have to click on the submit button, and after some time your templates get approved by Meta and it is going to be appear here. So this is how easily you can design the template inside Pabbly Chartflow. Now we will go back in Chartflow. Here, after selecting the template, I'm going to test this broadcast by entering the username as a test user and entering my number in this field just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number manually, I am clicking on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast set, and immediately I received two. This is the exact template that we have selected here. So this is how it works. Next, you have to schedule the broadcast. You can send the message instantly as well as schedule for later. Here I am scheduling this broadcast for later, so I am selecting this option. Next, I am selecting the date as 30th of April at 5 p.m. See, on 30th of April 2026 at 5 p.m. this broadcast message is going to be sent to all of my 44 contacts. After that, I will click on this plus add broadcast button. See, the broadcast is created successfully and it is going to be appear here too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button. Export the report by clicking on this button. Here you will also see the status as sent, delivered, read, pending or ignored. You can also resend the broadcast to failed contact. So this is how easily you can use this amazing feature of Pabbly Chartflow. This is the best way for sending a bulk messages, announcement, promotions and update without getting banned. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this for your own business too. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp broadcast message, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chartflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chartflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.